How to earn points on Shein. Hello everyone, I am Bishakha and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial and open the Shein application on your device first. Log into the app if you haven't logged in yet. On the bottom of your screen, you will see the option for Me. Tap on that. Here, in this interface, you will be able to see the points you have earned. Tap on the Points option now. Click on Go Check In and you can see I just earned 1 point. Check in daily and your points will increase gradually from 1 point a day to 5 points and then to 10 points and so on. You just have to make sure that you go check in regularly. You can also increase points by sharing the app with your friends. Next, click on your username on the top left of your screen. And now on Edit Profile, go to the Preference option. Here, select your favorite categories, who do you usually buy clothes for, and your favorite styles, and click on Save, and you can see I just earned 20 points by doing this again. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.